Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of using the envelope tool. But this time I'm going to use the other envelope tool, which is under the effects instead of the one on your toolbar over here. So all I did, I drew a squiggly line. I just got my freehand tool, and you find out if you're an artist or not, and then you could take some nodes away and clean it up and make it more, a little bit different. But I'm going to go with the first one I drew. Took a little time. We got it pretty good. And then I would just Control D and make a duplicate of that line, holding down the Control button and just make this shape. Now get your 2-point line and go from node to node, node to node, and this is pretty important. Then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that shape in. Then you've got a complete good solid shape. This one is still broken apart. Now you could weld it together, but I find that the color fill tool is just as good. Now click on your artwork or your text and get it about the size, from bottom to top as your envelope. Then go up to Effects, Envelope, and it's going to come up like this. It's going to have an eyedropper. The eyedropper is called Create Form. Put your arrow inside your form and then hit Apply. That's all that's to it. Now take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And I think it does it a little bit faster and looks much better to me than any other ones I did before. And you can make the curves bigger, but that's the envelope tool under Effects. It's a completely different animal. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.